Hello to all the little cuties. I hope you all are doing great. As you all know, Christmas countdown has already been started. So I have decided to share with you all some really interesting and cute drawings related with Christmas decoration, food and fun. So let's get started with Santa Claus, without whom the Christmas celebration is incomplete. We'll start drawing the face first. Start with two circular eyes. Above each eye, then draw two eyebrows. Now draw an oval nose in between but slightly down to the eyes. Now the most interesting part is the mustache and beard. Look, the mustache is looking like two wings of a bird. Now join the two eyebrows with a thin line. Let's draw the beard now. It will be just like a big leaf-like structure. We will draw the hat now. Did you notice that Santa's hat has a pom-pom at the end? Now I'm drawing a straight line to make two parts of the hat. One will be red and the other will be white. Now let's finish the face. Moving towards the next section, that is the body of Santa. We will start with drawing two hands first. Draw a long arm, then the cuffs and the hand. Repeat the same process for the second hand also. Now we will draw the jacket. The jacket is tightly secured with a belt. Draw a nice buckle for the belt. Quickly moving towards the legs now. As you all know, Santa stays in North Pole where he has to walk through the snow, so he really needs boots. What do you think? And now the most important thing, that is the bag of Santa, towards which we all are looking forward throughout the year. Isn't it? As his bag is very heavy because he is carrying gifts for all of us, so I think his bag needs to get repaired. Now complete the eyes. Let's start coloring now. I know this is the most interesting part of the video that you all like to watch. So what color is Santa's cloth? Yes, you're right. It's all about red and white. I'm using light pink for Santa's skin and a medium pink for his nose. Keep the mustache and beard as it is, as they are all white. Now let's move on to the hat and the dress. They will be all red, but keep the hem of them white. Please notice that I am making an outline with the color first and then I am filling up the rest. By this way, your color will not come out from the lines. Santa's sack can be of any color, but we will color them red as well. We are coloring the gloves now. They are also red. Color the belt and the boots black. The eyes will also be black. The buckles of both the belt and boots will color as yellow. We are almost done. I am adding a white highlighter to look Santa more realistic. You can skip this step if you don't have any highlighter. So our Santa Claus is now ready to rock in Christmas. Please comment down below and send me your attempts. I will love to see your drawings. And if you like the drawing, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you in my next video.